Hi, my name is Mary. I work here at Guarantee. I would love to show you a Coachmen Catalina product. This is a 174 FQS, and it's a cute little trailer. I'd love to show you inside. This trailer features all the comforts that you could want in a small, lightweight trailer. You have a couch with a leather-like fabric that just washes clean. No worries if kids sit on it with wet bathing suits, it's going to wipe clean. Plus, in this small trailer, there is a huge amount of counter space. Because of the kitchen being right across from the couch, you have the whole length of the couch, which the couch does fold out into a bed. But I think it's really smart because the refrigerator is on the side of the kitchen. So you've got all this counter space, all this cabinet space. In the kitchen, you've got a 2-burner stove, you have a microwave, cute little sink, and a window right there so you can see out as you're washing. I really like this placement of everything in this unit. The bed is very close to the couch. The kitchen has a lot of counter space. Also, this unit has AC to keep you cool on those very, very hot days. The bathroom has a corner shower, and everything you need in there is perfect. One really good thing about this unit is the table. So there's no dinette, there's just a table that moves around wherever you want it inside the unit, and you can take that table outside. You can cover yourself with the awning outside, you've got outdoor speakers, you can have a great entertaining time outside, and everyone likes to eat meals outside when you're camping. As you look inside this unit, it's very adequate, and then the outside is great too. You've got outside speakers, you've got a rock guard, a rhino shield, to keep rocks from damaging your trailer. So I would love to show you this unit. It's very lightweight, it's aluminum, and it's just going to be perfect for you to be able to have a great camping experience. So come and see me. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.